Ever wondered what those red and green bars on a chart really mean? They're called candlesticks, and they hold the secrets to market psychology. In this video, we'll break down candlestick patterns, what they are, how they work, and how you can use them in your trading. Let's get started. A candlestick represents price movement over a specific time period, whether it's 1 minute, 1 day, or even a month. It has 4 key parts: the open price, close price, high, and low. The body shows the difference between the open and close, while the wicks, also called shadows, show the high and low. A green candle means the price closed higher than it opened, bullish. A red candle means it closed lower, bearish. Simple, right? But here's where it gets exciting. Candlesticks form patterns that can signal what the market might do next. These patterns are grouped into 2 main types: reversal patterns, which suggest a change in direction, and continuation patterns, which indicate the current trend might keep going. Let's start with reversal patterns. The hammer is a bullish signal often found at the bottom of a downtrend. It suggests prices might go up. On the flip side, the shooting star appears at the top of an uptrend, signaling a potential reversal to the downside. Engulfing patterns are another favorite. A bullish engulfing occurs when a green candle completely engulfs the previous red one, indicating a potential upward move. Bearish engulfing is the opposite. Now, let's look at continuation patterns. The doji represents indecision, often a pause before the trend continues. And the 3 white soldiers, 3 strong green candles in a row, are a powerful bullish continuation signal. While candlestick patterns are powerful tools, they're not magic. Always use them with other forms of analysis, like support and resistance levels, volume, or indicators, to confirm your strategy. And there you have it, an introduction to candlestick patterns and how they can help you anticipate market moves. Want to dive deeper into specific patterns? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading tips. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.